kung sino magaling doon? Lani Michalucha.
Ah, yeah, of course. She has so many voices. That's
So excellent. Pag kumanta siya ng Bukas na lang kita mamahalin, it's perfect Lani. Pag kumanta siya ng Nessun Dorma na classical, talagang napaka-operatic. So, it's possible, pero kailangan super sanay ka na sa shift na hindi mo mix. So,
it's a lot of practice.
lot of practice. A lot of practice.
Can you use it to your advantage when you know more that when you know how to sing more than just one genre?
Ay, oo. Lalo na sa concert. Pag sa concert, alam mo, minsan sa concert, kakanta ka ng Josh Groban. Josh Groban talaga. Through the darkness. Ganun talaga. Pero pag kakanta na ako ng Christian Roots, cause there's something in the way you look at me. So, nagkakaroon ng variety. So, hindi lang isang boses marinig nila.
It's good not to try and not to limit yourself with, just one. So you become more versatile.
Versatility, yes. That's the name. That's the key. That's the word. How to be versatile.
Para hindi rin bored yung audience mo. Maraming levels.
Masayaw na ba ako ngayon?
Joanna, ano yung pinakamahirap na naging role mo na sobrang layo sa pagkatao mo?
Okay. This question was asked before. It would have to be Fantine in Les Miserables.
What was she? How was she? And how
Only because, di ba yung character, alam natin, Caucasian, blonde-haired. So when I got the part, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung paano ko siya i-approach. Okay, fine, I can sing it and I can probably act it, but I had to find the truth within me, kung paano ko ilalabas yung character. So, yun yung mahirap doon. Tapos, to be able to kasi I had to psych myself down every night to be able to do the part kasi it's very tragic yung story ni Fantine, if you're familiar with the musical. So, psyching myself down was very hard, especially doing it 8 times a week. That was a real challenge. Even if sandali lang yung time ko sa stage, yung buong storya ni Fantine ang isasabihin ko, di ba? Yes, ang ibibigay ko sa audience. So, lahat ng energy mo, lahat ng emotions mo, lalabas mo dun sa scenes mo na konti lang. So, yeah, that was hard.
Meron ka bang mga specific life experiences na lagi mong ginagamit na minsan totally hindi naman akma dun sa kanta, pero you just use it for...
Of course. That's how you make the song yours. If you put your own experiences into it. That's why I mentioned kanina, basahin nyo as a dialogue yung song and isipin nyo kung kanino yung ibigay or kinakanta yung song. Para it's really your own, para merong meaning every word. That's what we do in musical theater, which, probably would help. So, hindi, kasi alam ko, marami tayong, gusto-gusto natin yung mga, like Josh Groban or Whitney Houston, and I know, we like to copy as well as Filipinos, diba? The way they sing. Pero sometimes we can be better than those people if we just try to make the song ours. We can actually create something else with the song. So,
exactly what Bugoy did doon sa kanta niya kanina.
Yeah.
Made it his own.
Yeah, because I've never heard it like that before. So.
How long does it take for you to internalize? Like in theater, diba, you have to be the person you're acting out as. How long does it take for you to understand and internalize who you are and what the song means to you?
You mean how long does it take before a show or before...
To get into character?
Yeah,
to get into character? Once you know the key, it's easy to switch on and off naman eh. What I do, my routine would be backstage. I will do my character sketch, mag-iisip ako ng mga things na, isip ko yung whole scenario. And sometimes I will think about things na will make me cry or affect me emotionally. It's different for different people. I have my own routine and it might not work for you, but you find your routine as you go along. So sometimes 5 minutes andun lang. Minsan hindi, it doesn't happen. It doesn't, you know, sometimes I have to do it longer. Sometimes 1 minute lang, ganon. So, it varies.
Question for Christian. Same thing, same along the same lines. Na parang an ASAP, you're given like maybe what 10, 20 songs to do in one day. And
Hindi naman.
Or you mean, but just ang dami yun, di ba?
Tatlo lang naman.
So,
Arrange
to take,
yan dun.
to take that music, di ba? Baka each song, iba yung interpretation or what you want to, how do you, because I mean, I don't know, for me, a personal problem for me here, I don't know if it's because of I've done theater or I was in a group before, I think infamous amongst our group for being for overdoing the song. How do you see? You have to do it 4 or if not more. How do you
Not overdo.
overdo it, and how do you, look at that song and make it's a problem for me.
Okay. Well,
You actually have a tough job with that.
ngayon ko lang
Tapos iba-iba every week, right?
Okay. Medyo mahirap nga. Pero, aralin ko yung every song. Una, aralin ko every song. So, isipin ko muna sa song na to, kailangan, okay, song na to, love song to. Ito, breakup song to. Ito, boom tarat-tarat. Ito, so parang, dapat, bago ko well, hindi naman siguro sa isang medley yun. Baka iba-iba siya. So, maganda rin na aralin mo muna yung buong song. Kasi minsan binibigyan na sa atin edited, di ba? Or sa inyo, kinakata yung edited, di ba? Aralin pa rin yung buong song. Start to finish. Tapos, get the emotion. Ano yung objective mo para sa kantang yon? Ano yung gusto mong objective para sa tao? Gusto mo ba silang pa-in love mo ba yung tao? Or kung love song siya, pwede mo rin siyang atakihin ng iba't ibang ways. Love na tough love, I love you so much. Or yung sweet love, I love you so much. Or, so, pag alam mo na yon, alam mo na hindi ka na siguro susobre. Kasi, eto yung pag-atake ko sa kanta to. Halimbawa, if ever you're in my arms again. If ever you're in my arms again, parang longing, di ba? Parang longing. Paano kayang, anong klaseng longing? Longing na, yung drastic longing na, ganun ba? Or yung over na longing. Tapos na. Yung may girlfriend ka na may longing. Alam mo yun? Parang ganun ba? If ever you're in... So, pag na-identify mo na yung mga little, na yun, I think hindi ka na susobre. So, medyo may trabaho ng konti. Tapos, so, isa pa lang yun. Sa isang kanta pa lang yun. Tapos, papunta ka na isang kanta. Ano naman to? Love song naman, halimbawa.